Hello students, to continue with Statistics for Economics, chapter Measures of Central Tendency, part 5. Today we are going to study about mode. Mode is the value which occurs most frequently in a series, or the value which has the highest frequency in the series is called mode. It is the most typical value of a series. It is very useful for the producers. For example, a manufacturer would like to know the size of shoes that has maximum demand, or style of the shirt that is more frequently demanded. Here, mode is the most appropriate measure. The word mode has been derived from the French word la mode, which means the most fashionable value of the distribution, because it is represented the highest number of times in the series. Let us study how to calculate mode, first of all in individual series. In order to calculate mode in individual series, there are two methods. First one is inspection method. By this method, the series is given here, individual series. Marks scored by the student in class test are given as 7, 4, 10, 9, 15, 12, 7, 9, 7. So first of all, arrange the series in ascending order. After arranging the series in ascending order, the series comes as 4, 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, 10, 12, 15. So it is clear here the 7 is the value which occurs most frequently in a series, or it is the value having the highest frequency. So mode is 7. Second method is by converting individual series into discrete series. So we have written the values here, or marks of the students here, 4, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. Then we have tally marks has been put over there. 4 has appeared one time, the one tally mark, 7 3 times, 9 2 times, 10, 12 and 15 one time each. So in this way frequency is 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. So it is clear 7 is the value having the highest frequency in the series. So mode is equal to 7. Now let us calculate mode in discrete series. Again in discrete series there are two methods. First one is inspection method, second is grouping method. So discrete series is given here. Weights of the students in kilogram is given here, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52 and 53. Frequency is given as 10, 10, 20, 11, 3, 2. So if we look at a series, it is clear that 50 commands the highest frequency in a series. So model weight is 50. Now sometimes in case of discrete frequency distribution, inspection method is possible only when there is regularity and homogeneity of data. However, the series may sometimes not be regular or homogeneous. More than one value may command the highest frequency in a series. In such case, grouping method of the calculation of mode is used. In grouping method, first of all we have to construct grouping table, then analysis table. Now you look at the series here, the frequencies are rising, then maximum frequency comes 16, then they start falling, and after that they start rising again. So in such kind of series there is no regularity in data, so we need to construct grouping table. Here is a method to construct grouping table. Grouping table we will make 6 column, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. In first column, that is the where the frequency is given. In second column 1 plus 2, third column 2 plus 3, then in fourth column 1 plus 2 plus 3, In fifth column 2 plus 3 plus 4, and in sixth 3 plus 4 plus 5. So here first column is given to us, frequency is given. In the second column 1 plus 2, that is we will add first and second frequency. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Then we will add next to 10 plus 12, 22, 16 plus 14, 30, 10 plus 8, 18, 17 plus 5, 22, 4 plus 1, 5. Then next column is 2 plus 3. In this we will leave first frequency, we will take second and third. 10 plus 8, 18, then next to 12 plus 16, 28, 14 plus 10, 24, 8 plus 17, 25, 5 plus 4, no. So we will not use this frequency since it is only one frequency here. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 means 3 frequency we will add starting from first. 3 plus 8 plus 10, that is equal to 21. Then 12 plus 16 plus 14 equal to 42. 10 plus 8 plus 17 equal to 35. 5 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to 10. Then in the next column 2 plus 3 plus 4, we will start from the second frequency 2, that is 8 plus 10 plus 12 equal to 30. Next is 16 plus 14 plus 10 is equal to 40. Again then 8 plus 17 plus 5, 30. Last column is 3 plus 4 plus 5. So we will start from third frequency. 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 10 plus 12 plus 16, that is 38. Then 14 plus 10 plus 8 is equal to 32. Then 17 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 26. So here in all the columns we will mark the highest frequency. So highest frequency in the first is 7, we will encircle it. Then in next it is 30, it is encircled. Then 28, 42, 40 and 38. In all these are encircled. Now we will construct analysis table. In analysis table, the size is taken here. That is the size given to us 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And here the 6 columns are being depicted, that is first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. In first case, 17 is the highest frequency. So 17 correspond to the value 10. So in first column we will tick mark against 10. Then in next column 30 is the highest value, which is sum total of 16 and 14, and the corresponding value are 6 and 7. So in second column we will mark in front of, that is 6 and 7. We will mark the tick. Then in third column 28 is the highest frequency, which is sum total of 12 plus 16, and corresponding values are 5 and 6. So here we will mark in front of 5 and 6. Then in next column 42, and the corresponding values are 5, 6 and 7. So in fourth column 5, 6 and 7. Then in next 40, so we will mark 6, 7 and 8, tick mark. Then last maximum frequencies are 38, and which are sum total of 10, 12 and 16. So corresponding values are 4, 5 and 6. Now let us total these. In this case no tick mark, no tick mark. Here is 1, 3. यहाँ पे we are having 5, then 3, then 1 and 1. So it is clear. Size 6 is having the maximum number of tick mark. So this is the model value. So mod is equal to 6. This is how we draw grouping table and analysis table. Last one is the continuous series. So continuous series, again there are two methods, inspection method and grouping method. So simple continuous series is given as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. By inspection method, it is clear 7 is the highest frequency. It means value of mode lies somewhere between 20 to 30. Now what is the exact value? For this we have a formula to calculate mode. Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. So here it is clear to you, this is F1 and here it is F0 and F2. 20 plus 7 minus 5 upon 2 into 7 minus 5 into 10. In this way we get 20 plus 5, 25. So mode is 25. Thanks for watching.